welcome to Skydive Elsinore.
What?
Welcome to Skydive Elsinore.
Yes, thank you.
What are you doing today?
Skydiving?
All right. So you're jumping out of a perfectly good airplane?
Yeah, but I hope I can do it several times.
All right.
In one day.
So the first of many, right?
Yes, the first.
All right. Anybody you want to say hi to?
Hello everybody, and especially to my wife, Emily. She's there.
All right. You ready to go?
Yep.
Let's go skydiving.
Spread my wings, time to fly. One step out, all it takes for me to touch the sky. So amazing, so liberating. 12,000 feet, AGL, so breathtaking. Belly down, box me now. 4 minutes of pleasure without any spark of distraction around. State of mind, euphoria, wish it could last forever. From this day on, nothing can stop us from getting back together.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. I love the sky, baby. 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 I love the sky, baby.
Yeah, Leo. Welcome back to the ground.
Yeah!
What'd you think of that?
Is that a real world?
It's real. You just did it.
Not a dream? Oh, that's it. I made it.
You gonna come back and do it again, Leo?
Yeah, and the next time I will waiting for some cloud in the sky, and I
Alright.
think it will be different.
All right. We'll see you next time.
See you.
Big shout out to Drop Zone. Thanks for sharing.